It is Tuesday, July 2nd, and according to my calendar, it is National UFO Day. I guess that's UFO, unidentified flying objects, but not for us knitters and crocheters. A UFO is an unfinished project, right? Unfinished whatever. And we have lots of UFOs. I have lots of UFOs. So I'm going to consider it a knitting, crocheting term today, and maybe consider looking at some of my stash and piles of started projects that I have not finished. I'm sure they need some attention. So let's call it that. All right, shall we? All right. I showed you this a while back. This is the Cascading Colors Shawl. It takes 2 balls of yarn, 1 gradient and 1 solid, and this is from Wonderland Yarns, Frabjous fibers. I'm telling you now that the Cascading Colors Shawl Kit has 1 skein of Marianne, which is their fingering weight yarn, 475 yards, and it has it twice. So it has it in the gradient and in the solid, right? So these are the colorways I have. This is the green and the blue. I think that is what we're looking at here, right? I have put them on sale. They were $45. They are now $33.75. So I also have this neutral gray with the red, which I love. So neutral gray and red. I mean, honestly, just get the project, wind this one, and hit the road. It's great. This one is, I like this one. This is sort of a lovely, warm, sort of toast color, but then it mixes with the lime green and the toast and the purple. I think that would be very stunning. And last but not least, we have this beautiful lavender, but it has spits of blue in it, sort of tonal. And then we have this blue gradient from lighter turquoise all the way to darker blue. That would also be stunning. So $33.75, 3 colorways. Consider it. What a cool shawl. The design is by Stephanie Shyman. So there you go. Just something else, putting it on sale. There you go. Okay. Tomorrow's the 3rd. Thursday is the 4th. We will be closed. Everybody needs a little day off to celebrate the Independence Day, so we too will be closed. Not to mention the fact that it's going to be well over 100 degrees here. What? And today it's in the 80s. What? I'm telling you, we're riding the wave. Back and forth, back and forth. So anyway, that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely night. And I think that's all I've got. All right.